Hello and welcome to the Dojo. In the last episode, finally, the sides are glued to the blocks. If you're new to the channel, I have a crack in the side of the guitar, in both sides, so I have to prepare the guitar to fix it. To do that, you have to give it some structure. At this point, I have to prepare the guitar by radiusing the guitar before gluing the curving, which will give the structure I need to repair the sides. So mark the height of the guitar blocks with some chalk. With a block plane, you remove material to leave the sides flush with the blocks. Really careful where the sides join each other in front of each other, so you can crack it if you're not careful enough. So go with the grain of the guitar and be careful little by little, and in the really close parts like this one you use a very small block plane. Now it's looking really good. Remove the splinters with a sandpaper roll with a PVC. That's it. If you're liking this video, please give me a thumbs up. In the next video, I'm going to prepare a special tool to radius the guitar. See you there.